Hello guys, this is the video for blind OS command injection with time delays. So let's get started. So this is a room which involves like you need to type this command of ping-c to solve it. So I'll show you what is actually happening over here. So this is how it was actually. You were in the proxy tab, there was nothing and everything is empty, and you have the verb suite configured. So firstly you need to go to feedback, and then you need to type in your name and your details and everything. So the command which I'm using is the time delay command. So to do that we are going to use that ping-c and the loopback id. So the reason we are choosing this is because ping-c is the flag used for number, so you need to provide the number. Like I am looping it for 10 times, so now this will go for 10 times, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You can actually see in the help section of ping that -c's command is for count, is that number of times it will run. So providing -c 10 will delay it for 10 times. Now I'll provide some details over here, and I'll also tell you the story behind this. So here when I'm clicking on submit, before I click on submit I need to turn my intercept as on, and I'll click on submit, and this request has come in verb suite, and I'm going to take it to the repeater to repeat this request many times, because we are going to do hit and trial with the OS command injection. So now over here the backstory of this involves that whenever you type a feedback in this website, so what they are doing is they are not doing anything with your name, they are not doing anything with the subject or message. What they are just doing is they are giving you an thank you message, email return back. So just imagine that it will, whatever email you typed over here, so imagine they are giving you an email back. So they are calling a function to email you back saying thank you. So usually when you submit feedback, there is always a thank you for submitting the feedback. Just like that, they are submitting feedback back to you. So what they are doing is they are going to do this function that this obviously this is automated. So mail at the given mail address which you just provided, and it will mail thank you. Maybe it will mail thank you. So now what we are doing over here is that we will break this part in such a way, and we'll insert and do OS command injection here. So it will become like mail something, and there will be a semicolon or maybe something which broke the statement maybe, and we will do our malicious stuff here, and then again this. So this will become like, this part will become an error that what is this, I don't understand this part, but this or part, malicious part will run, and when this runs we have successfully done our OS command injection and we can continue. So just like this over here, I know this is not useful, name is not useful, email is the one which you want to do something with. So in email, let's try with a simple and statement. Let's start with the and statement. So and ping, I hope you can see my screen. And okay, so email, this is the email I provided, and ping. So to provide space you need to add plus sign, you cannot provide space because it won't be accepted. So see, if I type something now, it changes its color to black as it is not a part now. So ping space is like plus -c plus 10 plus the loopback id which we are providing. We can put anything malicious here. Then again I'll put and again I'll just make it everything as normal, and I'll send this request. So there's nothing great which I got. See, no result, and just came instantly, proving that this malicious command of ping which I just ran did not run. So now rather than and, let's try double and. maybe that will work. So this is quite a hit and trial, it's not like something has to work. If you'll see my previous video, which I'll provide in the description below, we'll see why is this and not working. Maybe sometimes everything doesn't work. So now again I'm providing an email where rather than and I'm going to do or. Let's try or ping the same thing, and again here I'll put or. I'll send this. Did not work. Now let's put double or, and let's see. Oh nice, it worked. So how do I know it worked? Because this is not working right now. So I should have seen a result. Why is it not showing a result? It's not because the net is slow or the connection is slow, it's because this thing actually worked. And why do I don't get to see a result if I like put a command like cat or echo or something? Why will I not see some result over here? Because this is a email message, this is nothing which they are displaying on the website. The only thing which they displayed on the website was thank you for submitting the feedback. This is different and this is different. This command, what they're doing is they're taking the email and they're providing us an email on our phone or laptop or maybe with that message. So this message is just when you just click on this button, you'll get this message. There's nothing to do with the email which we provide. But over here we can just run anything malicious here. But to detect, since it was invisible, this was a blind OS command injection, that is why we are doing this technique. So again, rather than double or, we can put semicolon, and we can check if semicolon works. Yup, even semicolon works. See guys, so what it might be doing, that it might be breaking this command, that's something malicious, and it broke over here, like mail something, it broke here. Then after this command broke, this gave some error, so this command has nothing to do now. Then this command ran, this is the one which we wrote over here, that ping one, this command. Then we again broke it, and after breaking it, then something else. So this is what, see, again it's not, it's perfectly working now. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye. Continue learning.